beautiful AMG S63 Mercedes. There it is right there. Look at them wheels. That's sexy. Let me show you guys what's under there before we do anything. It's got stock converters. Comes with an H-pipe. Stock resonator right there. And it's true dual system all the way. And then mufflers out the back on each side. And then your classic AMG tips right there and right there. What we're going to do is we're going to keep these mufflers on each side. And we're going to delete this resonator just to give it a little bit more oomph before we do anything else. See how he likes that. So the resonator, as you guys can see, it's pretty huge. Good size. So we're going to take that off and see how it sounds and go from there. Stay tuned. 2008 S63 AMG. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. So it's already got a nice rumble to it. There's idle. Idle is right at 74. Go ahead and give it gas. Woo-hoo. What a beast. Still sounds good just like that. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 98. 98.4. Again. All right, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to take the resonator off and let you guys hear it after. So, as you guys can see on this beautiful beast, whew, I love these cars. I might pick me one up. I don't know. I want one of everything, guys, which sucks. I can't have one of everything. S63 AMG. Look at them shoes. Woo, sexy. Brand new tires, too. Brand new rubbers. Boom. Anyways, converter, H-pipe. Then, as you guys can see, we did a resonator delete. Nice and clean right there. Then we continue. And stock mufflers are still on there for now. He might take them off later on. We'll see. But as of right now, they're on there. There it is. Came out nice. There's the resonator that was on it. Huge. We took it off. It's the size of two mufflers. There it is. So we took it off. And I love how they kept it independent, as you guys can see from the welds in the middle. So it stayed true duals all the way back, which is cool. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you hit that subscribe. We support you guys with thousands of videos. Please support us by hitting that subscribe button. Here you go. Let's hear this thing. Go ahead. Already a better start, man. Again. 102. 105. It's climbing. 106. That's perfect. Yeah. He says that's exactly what he wanted. And that's what I like to hear. Brings joy to my heart. Again. It hit the 108. Yes. There's sound decibels. Do it again. We're the only ones who ever got to rev it other than him, guys. As you guys can see how clean the car is. Again. That sounds phenomenal, man. Wow. Go ahead and back it up. It's huge. It's a boat, but it flies too. What's the speed on it? 0 to 60 is like 4.2 or something. Yeah. Wow, it's got a custom intake on it too. Wow, man, it sounds phenomenal. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. That sounds clean. That's what he wanted. He didn't want it too loud, just a clean tone. Amplify that AMG sound. That's what we done. Hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments what you think. 2022 BMW M3 competition. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Very nice. And it's got active exhaust on it too, so when you put it in sport mode or something, it changes. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. Right at 92. So we're gonna do a resonator delete on it in the middle. BMW M3, really beautiful. Look at that grille and color and all that good stuff. A sexy car. Twin turbo. So got factory secondaries there and there. Factories up there and up there. And mid resonator delete there. So it comes with two resonators. One there and one back there. One of them has an X pipe built in and one doesn't. So we cut this one out. This is the one that does not have the X pipe built in. So we put two 3-inch pipe in its place. Then this was the one that had the X pipe built in. We put an X pipe in its place. As you guys can see right there. It's came out beautiful. Clean. And then it's got the active exhaust there and there. And then it's got the stock muffler. He didn't want it overbearing, just clean. So it's fully open. M2, we push the button inside, it's sport. Fully open exhaust right now with the flaps. This is what it sounds like. Go ahead. Much better. That, man. Yes. Again? That is so nice. Go ahead. Again? Right at 100. Now close them. This is where they closed. Go ahead. So 93 again. Yeah, 93. Go ahead. Yeah, you can hear it. It's a lot quieter. Press the M button. Wow, yeah. I'd keep it in the M the whole time. That sounds so nice, guys. I like it. Again. Oh, got that marble, baby. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Also open exhaust. Turn it off.
M3 BMW. That new sexy grill. What do you guys think of the new grill? Let me know. I like it personally. It just gives it that fat stance. It's nice. It's quiet at idle too. It's not that bad. Look at them brakes. Wow. Suckers are huge. Nice. 2023 Giulia Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio. It's a V6. This is what it sounds like before. What do you guys think? I like it. Needs more. Here's sound decibels. Right at 103 at peak. 2023 Giulia, my Alfa Romeo, the V6, top of the line. That's something different. That's cool. Fully forward. I didn't know they had them. That's pretty cool. Anyways, got a really nice look to it too. Check it out, guys. What we got done on it, as you guys can see, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then, flex pipe, flex pipe. There was a resonator there. We took it off. There's a resonator on it. That's what it looked like. Alfa Romeo. Dual in, dual out. Resonator, we cut it off and replaced it with two beautiful pieces of pipe, and then left everything else that you can't see under all the aerodynamic plastic. But there's a muffler there and valves and all that stuff. I'll show it to you guys inside there. Crazy contraptions in there. And he did a valve delete kit on it already, so the valves stay open. And what it does, it comes true dual in and true dual out. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Let's see the difference. You guys heard it before. Now let's hear it after. Wow. That is a big difference. The valves are open to a straight pipe. That is perfect. Hear the sound decibels? Do you like it?
I love it.
Perfect. Yes, that sounds so good. Them Italians, I tell you. It's definitely a different tone. It's sick. I like it. We wanted to do a muffler delete on it also, guys, but it didn't work out because that bumper is all one piece, so all of it has to come off in order for us to do a muffler delete. We couldn't do that. But with the valves, it works. Wow, nice car. 23. I like it. Let me know what you guys think of the tone. That's a completely different tone. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Definitely different look than your usual vehicle with that grill is cool. It's different. I like it. 505 horsepower, by the way, guys. So don't underestimate this car. The engine is made by Ferrari. Put in this thing. Damn! Look at that! Wow! You can still hear it. Wow! Beast mode. Guys, look what came in. A beautiful BMW M5 2020. What a beast. I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before. Once this truck leaves, it's too loud. Give it gas. That's within comfort mode. We're gonna put it in Sport Plus Plus in a second. He's gonna take care of that for us because it's got valves. Now it's in Sport Plus Plus. Go ahead. It changes automatically. Hear the difference? Again. M5, guys. Here's sound decibels one last time. Right at 103 when the valves open. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna take the resonators off. So on this M5, guys, comes with a resonator right here, cats on each side, and then two mufflers one right there, one right there, then a miniature one in the center too. Crazy setup. But anyways, we're gonna take this one out. I gave him a choice and he wants its true dual straight pipe. So he doesn't want an X pipe in its place. So when he opens the valves, it becomes true dual. So we're gonna take this resonator out. Stay tuned. 2020 BMW M5, as you guys can see, carbon fiber front. I like it. Clean. Let me show you guys what we done to it. So we showed you what it looked like before with the cats on each side. Now we deleted the mid resonator right there. Replace it with 3-inch pipe. Continues out the back. Stock muffler stays the same. And then it had a little crack right here. We welded it up for him too. But there it is. Nice and clean M5. All right, with the resonator delete. There's the resonator that was on it that we cut off right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. So here we go. 2020 BMW M5 with a resonator delete. Already a big difference. That's with valves closed. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Go ahead and open it up. He's going to open it up real quick. Go ahead. It's open now. That's with Sport Plus. Wow. Yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Again? 111. Heck yeah. 113. Go ahead and back it out. He's got a lot to do to it, he said. He's going to change it all up. He's a custom fabricator, so. Go ahead. That sounds so good. That sounds phenomenal. That little resonator, how much of a difference it made. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. BMW M5 with a res delete. And it's got valves, so straight pipe basically. That sucker flies. That sucker flies, man. I love it. Enjoy, guys.